Very good morning, guys. Welcome to the best lectures of SM nationwide. Today, we are here to discuss how to prepare SM in last 1.5 days. See, for any theoretical subject, be it audit, be it SM, be it law, last 1.5 days can make your subject or break your subject. So it's very important to design the best strategy for last 1.5 days, and that is why this video is there. Okay, FM is of course very easy. Okay, and the strategy will come of FM, but here we are to discuss strategic management, which is even more easier. So rules before we start. Okay, 3 rules are there. Number 1, never ever think what has happened in costing paper, okay, or audit paper. Forget, because that's already gone. Okay, if you are able to change that paper, I would discuss full night. Okay, if I am getting 10 extra marks, then I would discuss full night. Okay, but why to discuss? It's already gone. You cannot increase even half a mark. Always remember, it's a new day, it's a new subject, it's a new beginning, and FM SM can change your life. Whatever less total aggregate, FM SM will help you get that 70 marks, 80 marks exemption. Okay, trust your preparation, trust your teacher. Don't try to do anything new at this stage. Okay, because time is already less, and whatever you know, paper is going to come out of that only. Okay, so let's start with SM. Number 1, 2 to 5 is the exam time. You will come home by maybe hostel home 6 o'clock or 5:45. Take a half an hour break. Okay, 6:30 to 8:30. You can do chapter 4, strategic choices. Very easy chapter. We have done this first in the class. It's very easy. Shall I do from the main book or magic? Always do from the main book first. Okay, we have highlighted the keywords. Try to remember those keywords at least. Okay, so it's very easy. So always do from the main book. Okay, along with that, do I have to do on my own or watch revision lecture? Marathon revision lecture will be there in Mrugesh Madlani Virtuals Telegram channel. Okay, I will show you the channel, Mrugesh Madlani Virtuals Telegram channel. In that, already revision lecture is uploaded. If you do on your own, that's best. But if you cannot do, you are feeling a little lazy or not able to remember, then you can refer marathon. Everything will be auto flash in 1 second. Okay, you will be able to remember every single thing, guarantee. Okay, so next 9 p.m. take a half an hour break. 9 to 11 you have to do chapter number 3, strategic analysis, internal environment. When the whole world is thinking, okay, some people get up at 8 o'clock, they sleep once the paper is over. By that time already you are done with 2 chapters out of 5. Okay, how good is that? Okay, so this is the best strategy. 9 to 11. Now sleep day 2. Morning 7 to 9:15, 7:15 to 9:15 you can do chapter number 2, strategic analysis, external environment. Okay, this is also easier chapter. You can do this also very easy. Nothing great is there. Same applies if you are able to do on your own. Best. If not, refer to revision lecture. 9:30 to 10:30 cute chapter, small chapter. Chapter 1, intro to SM. 1 hour is also more. It can be done in 45 minutes only. Okay, next 10:45 to 1:15, strategy, evaluation and control. Chapter number 5. Easily you can do this chapter in 3 hours. Relatively a bigger chapter. If you are unable to recall a few topics, okay, no problem. Okay, do it from the revision lecture. You will definitely be able to remember. Okay, and many people, sir, if I don't read from main book, can I read few topics from magic book? It's okay, just read. Okay, just read. Okay, and then of course FM will follow. FM you have to do after that. Always remember, once you are done in the morning, okay, morning, the exam day, the day 3, read magic book at least 3 times. You are given the magic book, that's the back side, or this book. Okay, read this at least 3 times. Okay, because half of the paper comes from this only, be rest assured. Others are of course conceptual questions. Okay, so if you read magic book 101%, everything will be covered. Be rest assured, you are going to rock this paper. Okay, and those who are positive, those who work hard, even if they wish, God will not fail them. That is why they say, do your best, let God do the rest. So we will do our best, and God will of course do everything else. And whatever total is lacking, okay, if you are if aggregate is not happening, FM/SM will do that aggregate. If you want 60, 70, 75, okay, FM/SM is meant for that. This is going to be a brilliant paper, a easy paper, a awesome paper. All the best, unlimited times from our side. Thank you so much. Take care.